Hey, Foodie Chef Pete here, and today, the Mediterranean diet, in case you haven't figured it out, is kind of what I'm cooking. Whether it's Italian food, Greek food, European food with a lot of vegetables, but the Mediterranean diet, it's flavorful, it boosts your health because you've got veggies, and on YouTube, I have so many videotapes of things that are Mediterranean diet based. Heavy on the veggies, light on the meat, light on meat that doesn't have a lot of fat, but gets you protein, okay? And I make things like beans, and I make things with the rice and the pearl barley and farro, the ancient grain from Egypt, okay? And also, what happens is, to get the real taste of Mediterranean food, the fresh seasonal ingredients, so whatever time of year it is that has the fresh veggies, the fresh meats, the fresh bell peppers, the fresh tomatoes, the fresh, I'll just go on. And then I tie it together with the traditional way things are made. So whether it's an eggplant, and we're going to make eggplant parmigiana, okay, or we're going to take eggplant and bread it or not bread it, or we're going to take fresh San Marzano tomatoes, or we're going to take beautiful other fresh ingredients, garlic and some chives and all of the other things. And then what we're going to do is, it's not bland because we're spicing it up with spices, right? And you're putting colorful bell peppers in, and you're putting onions, and you're putting this and that, and some other fresh veggies. And then what happens is, we step from cooking on top of the stove to the salad department. We make vibrant salads, Greek salads, Italian salads, antipasto salads, okay? Protein-packed salads using poached chicken breast. So you might check our playlist. We have all these videos that I have there showing how I poach chicken breast, how I make salads. Just go for the salad playlist, okay? And it's a visual way I'm showing you. Everybody has their own way they do things, but I'm kind of showing you how to put together all the recipes step at a time, either on top of the stove or in a slow cooker or in the air fry oven I'm using. And many of these recipes are busy because I'm doing one pan busy weeknight recipes. So you put things and you get them all in there and you're ready to go in a half hour, 40 minutes. You can have your meal on the table for your families, okay? All right, so the culinary landscape of the Mediterranean diet is so varied, from giant-sized lemons you can use in your cooking to get some beautiful lemon zip, and so it's zesty, right? Okay, and then making Greek dips, feta cheese, salads. Doing all of these things makes for a balanced, beautiful Mediterranean diet that's heavy on veggies, light on meat, and you can get your protein from a lot of different sources, like I said, using the farro, using barley, using beans. I even did a Mediterranean slanted taco salad here a while back. So you might want to go into YouTube and look for taco salad in a bowl. I did that recipe, and that was a big hit. It was a big hit all over the place, wherever we're seeing around the world. So, okay, the Mediterranean is where you go. Use fresh ingredients, use a lot of veggies, and even if you're going to make Chinese food, go heavy on the veggies, light on your chicken, light on your pork, light on your beef, and make yourself beautiful, heavy Mediterranean vegetable-style Chinese food. I know that sounds crazy, but it comes out really well. Okay, so there we have it. Watch the playlists. Go to playlists. Watch our new videos. We put a couple, 2, 3 out a day. And thank you all for sharing and subscribing and liking and passing us on. I am really so happy that you all are very pleased and like what I'm presenting here. And remember, I'm not a doctor. I'm not a dietitian. I'm just a gray-haired, 72-year-old former restaurant owner who's sharing his tips and tricks to cook the foods for your families. And I hope you all have a beautiful, beautiful time ahead. So this is Peter Carpizos. As always, what? As always, out.